Are you thinking about starting a business or already started one and are frustrated because you don't know what the next step is and you lack the tools, resources, and guidance to figure it out because there's just too much information out there? Are you trying to save cash by doing it yourself and have no problem following instructions effectively to get the kind of results that you want? If the answer is yes, I have some good news for you. My name is Joe DiChara, and I'm the founder of BedrockBusinessBuilders.com and BedrockUniversity.com. And just like you, I'm an entrepreneur. I just happen to have a CPA license, and I've worked with thousands of small business owners over a 35-year career. And if you know anything about me, I'm probably one of the last people that would recommend anybody do it themselves. But the fact is that there's over 25 million sole proprietors out there, and some of them have to do it themselves. Now, if you're one of those people,